Hello everyone, today I am going to develop a JDBC application which is going to take input from console and store on Oracle database table, and I am going to retrieve that detail to our console using a statement interface, very simple interface and basic interface. I am going to create a project, simple Java project JDBC 1, right? To develop JDBC program, first we need to add ojdbc.jar file, right? Go to click on our project, go to build path, configure build path, go to libraries, class path, add external jar, click on ojdbc8, apply and close, right? I am creating one package, naming the package as test class. I am creating employee class, employee table, and I am going to name this class as also emp details, right? First I am going to create table on Oracle SQL plus. I am going to log into my SQL, Oracle SQL. I am going to create one employee table. First I am going to write the query on notepad. Create table employee. I am going to take emp underscore id varchar 2 of 4, emp name varchar 2 of 15, emp mail id varchar 2 of 25, emp employee mobile number of 10, emp salary sal number of 10, 2. I am going to make emp id as primary so that duplicate employee id can't be inserted into database, right? Primary key emp underscore id, right? I am going to create the table, and also I am going to share this table creation query in description section. Control C and Control V. My table created. Now I am moving forward and going to write the program to insert. First insert the record and again fetch the record. I am writing main method. First we have to load the driver, right? To load the driver we have to write load the driver jd oracle dot jdbc dot driver dot oracle driver. We have to handle the exception. We have to create the implementation object for connection interface con. We use driver manager class to create implementation object for connection. Here we have to write db url. URL means jdbc colon oracle colon thin colon @localhost colon 1521 colon orcl comma database user id. My user id is css java and password is java, right? We have to handle one more exception, SQL exception. First we need to import the connection interface. After that we have to handle one more exception, this SQL exception. Now we need to create implementation object for a statement, con dot create a statement. This create a statement method is going to return implementation object for a statement interface. Error is coming because by mistake we have imported java.beans.statement. We need to import java.sql.statement, right? Now I am going to write the code for inserting the data. First we need a scanner class object to take input from user. Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. We need to import the scanner class. Control shift and O. I am going to take the input of all the data which is required to insert in employee table. I am copying and pasting this here for reference purpose, right? By this comment I will get idea what input I have to take, right? First I have to take input of employee id, int a string id equal to sc dot next line, right? First we have to write sys out a statement to indicate the user that what you want to enter. Enter emp. I am copying this for every time. Control C, emp id now, right? emp name, string name, right? sc dot next line. After that employee mail id, emp emid, right? emid equal to sc dot next line. After that mobile number, enter number, right? Long dot parse long c dot next line. Salary, enter employee salary. Cell equal to double dot parse double sc dot next line. Now we are going to run the query of insertion, and int k equal to stm dot execute update. Execute update method is going to return integer indicating that query is executed successfully or not. It is going to return 0 when data not inserted or insertion failed. It is going to return greater than 0 when data inserted successfully. Now we are going to write query for insertion of data. Insert into our table name employee values, right? To break our double quote we need single quote. After that, two double quote. After that I am writing plus plus and I am writing id first value. After that again two single quote, two double quote, I am writing two plus plus. After that I am writing name, right? Two single quote, two double quote, two plus plus. After that I am writing what? emid. After that double code, single code, double code, plus plus and mobile number mob, single code, double code, plus plus and salary, sal, right? At last semicolon. After that we are going to check our data is inserted or not by comparing. K greater than 0 means our data inserted, then we are going to write inserted successfully, right? Otherwise something went wrong. Insertion logic, right? I am going to write it. I am going to write retrieving logic, retrieving logic, right? Now again I am going to create, I am going to write stm dot execute query. I am going to write select star from emp from employee and return type of execute query method is result set rs equal to stm dot execute query. Now I am going to create object for result set metadata to know the number of column available in database table and column name, right? rs dot get metadata. Now I am printing column name less than or equal to rsmd dot get column count I plus plus. Dot get column name. Column name I plus space slash t to give a space between the column, right? I am writing one more println statement to change the line. I am writing while rs dot next. I am writing here for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to res md dot get column count I plus plus. This out statement rs dot get string I plus slash t. After that I am changing the line, so right? Now I am going to run my program. First, see my table. Select star from EMP employee, right? No record is there. I am writing QW12 name KUNDN Kundan, EMP mail ID BNC Gmail, mobile number 123456 7, salary 123,000, inserted successfully, and we get this data, right? We inserted this data and we get this data only, right? We get column name employee ID, value QW12, employee name, column name, employee name here. Now one more time I am going to run this application. This time employee ID ABC, name Rahul, mail ID abc@gmail.com, abc@g.com, mobile number 1234567890, salary 4123, right? We inserted this previous record and this time record, right? Thank you and bye bye.